Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by ensuring Blender 2, 80 or newer, and choosing Cycles or Eevee because lighting behaves differently. Once done, switch to the world shader. You enable use nodes so you can control environment lighting. Next, add an environment texture node and click Open to load your HDRI file, HDR or XR formats give full dynamic range. Make sure the environment texture is connected to the background node. This immediately places the HDRI as your scene light and reflections. Once the HDRI is loaded, you refine how it affects the scene by adding texture coordinate and mapping nodes. Plug generated or environment into mapping to rotate the sky and align highlights. You then adjust background strength to change overall exposure from the HDRI. Smaller values reduce intensity without touching scene lights. For color and contrast, use color management settings. Change exposure and look, or enable film settings for denoising. This makes sure your renders keep natural highlights and shadow detail while matching your artistic intent. To finish, render with adequate world samples and consider HDRI denoising to remove grain from glossy reflections. For interiors, add light portals on openings and reduce HDRI strength so local lights read stronger. That balances exposure. If reflections, color shifts, or lighting feel wrong, check world rotation in the mapping node, verify object normals, and confirm the HDRI uses the correct color space, typically sRGB for display HDRI or linear for raw EXR. One key tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.